VerboHub5, where language meets intelligence.
Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today, we will study the types of conjunctions to develop a clear and strong understanding of the concept. Types of conjunctions. Conjunctions are linking words used to connect words, phrases, clauses, or sentences. Conjunctions help make writing coherent, logical, and fluent. There are three main types of conjunctions: coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions join units of equal grammatical rank. Like word with word. Independent clause with independent clause. Coordinating conjunctions are 7. These can be remembered as FANBOYS. FANBOYS? For used to show a reason, and used to show addition, nor used to show a negative alternative, but used to show contrast, or used to show a choice, yet used to show contrast with an unexpected result. So used to show result or consequence. For examples: she wanted to go, but it was raining. He worked hard and succeeded. Rule: a comma is used before a coordinating conjunction when joining two independent clauses. 2. Subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions join an independent clause with a dependent clause. They show relationships such as time, cause, condition, contrast, or purpose. Common subordinating conjunctions by function: time, after, before, when, while, until. For example, I will call you when I arrive. B. Cause reason: because, since. For example, he stayed home because he was ill. C. Condition: if, unless, provided that. For example, you will fail if you do not study. D. Contrast concession: although, though, whereas, even though. For example, although it was late, she continued working. E. Purpose: so that, in order that. For example, she whispered so that no one could hear. Rule: when a dependent clause comes first, use a comma. 3. Correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions work in pairs to join equal elements in a sentence. Common pairs are both and, either or, neither nor, not only but also, whether or. Examples: both teachers and students attended the seminar. Not only did he apologize, but also he corrected his mistake. Rule: maintain parallel structure after each part of the pair. Recap: coordinating conjunctions connect equals. Subordinating conjunctions show dependence and relationship. Correlative conjunctions work in fixed pairs. Understanding conjunctions improve sentence structure, coherence, and academic writing. Conclusion: understanding conjunctions improves sentence structure, coherence, and academic writing. Thank you. Take care. Happy learning. Dear students, the quiz is now ready. Test your knowledge, take the quiz, and then come back.